Good afternoon, ma. Thank you for visiting Wala Junior High, the school of problem and possibility.
Good morning, sir. I don't understand what is happening in this school again. No? Why are you increasing school fees every year for a child that doesn't have future?
Is it what?
Yes, ma. Apologies for the inconvenience, but we'll not really send you for a year.
Excuse you?
Mommy, now so in they no get manners. It's your father that don't have manners.
Yeah?
Seriously, ma, Tinubu is to be blamed for this. Plus, our school has many infrastructures now. We have technology department, we have chemical department. The students can invent plenty things. They can be productive and they can explore the world. They can be the next Elon Musk. They can be the next Mark Zuckerberg. They can be the next Tinubu. No, Tinubu, not Tinubu.
Technology
they can do many things.
This boy can't even spell his name.
I understand your frustration. Also.
How do you expect him to invent anything?
I understand your frustration, ma. I also know he doesn't have a future.
Good. Can you just reduce the school fees a little bit? The country is very, very hard.
With due respect, ma'am, I will not reduce it. Do your worst.
Excuse me?
Mommy, I might just go find another school.
This school is too expensive. 100k a month for a useless child.
Hey. Wait, 100k a month? School fees is 5k for one semester.
5k?
Don't kill him, oh. That's my job.